Hello guys, so today I'm making prawns and Bombay duck and in a very simple manner, that is in Maharashtrian style. So I hope you all will enjoy this video. So for the first I'm going to cut this Bombay duck and I will clean it very properly. Then I will remove the wings of the Bombay duck, and as I'm going to fry it, so I'm going to cut in between. So I will just show you how it looks after cutting in between. Now let's begin with the prawns. So now I will show you how to clean the prawns. So now I have removed the cover of the prawns, and now I am removing the thread which is already inside the prawns. This can cause a severe stomachache, so please guys don't forget to remove it. So it's clean. So these are the ingredients which is used to marinate the prawns and Bombay duck. Let's begin with the marination. Now I have put all the prawns into one bowl, and now I will put all the ingredients into it which is already being mentioned on the screen. After putting all the ingredients, mix it well. Now same procedure we will do for Bombay duck as well. Now for coating we will use all these ingredients and we will fry it. Do like, share and subscribe.